Hi guys, welcome to the video. Please remember that if you enjoyed this video, why not subscribe? And while you're at it, hit that bell icon and then you'll get updated every single time I upload a video.
Today we're going to be checking out what is easily the best 50p coin design that we're going to see released throughout all of 2019. We're looking at the Stephen Hawking silver-proof 50p coin. And if you were lucky enough to get this, this is how it would have arrived. In the raw mint box. That's the front. On the side we've just got the information of what the coin is. Then we have there on the other side, treasure for life. And then we'll just have a quick look at the back. Of course, feel free to pause if I'm moving too quickly and you want to read this information. But for now what we're going to do is get into the box and have a look at its contents. Box down there, and I'll put this one down which houses the coin, and we'll get into that in a bit. We'll just quickly have a look at the information card. Now I've never actually seen one with as much detail on it as this, so bear with me. I'm going to try and get each and every part of this in so that you can see it. And of course, like I said, have a pause and read at your own pace if you want to read the information that I'm showing you. I'm going to try and get it all in. So we'll just open it up inside here now. There's a little piece here about the design. And then if I open it up completely, you've already seen the information that's along the top. So what you're left with is that. Now if I turn it over, what you've got is this massive diagram with black holes being explained. And on the side, I'll just go through the information. So this coin, when I first saw the image, my first thought was, I don't know now in what order I would put my favorite 350p coins. This has definitely gone into third for now. Sits alongside the WWF and the Newton. In fact, I don't really know which order I'd put the Newton, the WWF, and now this. They're just all stunning to me. Let's just have a look at all this information around the diagram. Can't wait to show this coin off because the finish and the design are just equally stunning. I've got it in brilliant uncirculated as well, and again you can't fault the design, but this version, the silver proof, the finish is just absolutely stunning. And there we go. So again, just to show you off that diagram as a whole. So yeah, that's pretty cool. So we can put that down now and we can get into the actual inner box. And there it is. Nice and sturdy with the raw mint logo on the front. I'll open that up and take out my certificate of authenticity. So there we go. Underneath there is my COA number, which I hide. And we'll have a look quickly at the coin specifications. So the denomination is 50p. The alloy is 925 AG sterling silver. The weight is 8 grams, the diameter 27.30 millimeters. The obverse designer is Jody Clark and the reverse designer Edwina Ellis. Now the quality is proof, which is silver proof, and there's a maximum coin mintage of 7,000 on this coin, the silver proof coin. But in this presentation that you see right here, it's limited to just 5,500. There we go. Show that information off. And round to the back for the usual address and hologram. There it is. So let's check out the coin. Starting with the reverse. There we go. Let's just see if I can get the light in on this so that you can see that and just how absolutely fantastic that finish is. Just look at that. Just love the optical illusion of it just spiraling downwards. Absolutely beautiful. Just quickly check out the obverse of the coin. So that's Jody Clark's 5th portrait of the Queen, 2019. Again, see if I can manipulate that nicely in the light. But yeah, there we go. Let's just have another quick look at this side. Absolutely stunning. There it is. So I want to know in the comment section below, which versions of this did you get, if any at all? Did you get the Brilliant and Circulated? Did you get this, the Silverproof? Did you maybe get the Pied For? And those of you with big wallets, did anybody get the gold proof version? Let me know in the comment section below because it always interests me. Please leave a like if you enjoyed this video, and please subscribe for future content on coins. Thanks for watching.